Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: a reachable email or US phone and a strong password. Open Chrome or another supported browser. Make sure cookies are enabled so forms work. Once done, go to the account creation page and choose to create a new Google account. Enter your name, chosen username, and a robust password. This matters because Google links identity and security. Make sure to select United States as your country if you need a US account, and continue to verification. Next, you'll verify and configure critical settings. When prompted, provide the phone number and receive a 6-digit code. Enter it immediately to confirm your identity. After verification, add a recovery email to prevent lockouts and choose visibility and personalization settings. These affect search and ad experiences. Once you set language and time zone, review sync settings for Chrome and device backups. Make sure to enable or disable sync according to your privacy preferences before moving on. To finish, accept Google's terms and complete the creation process. Sign into the account on your main devices. Then enable two-step verification to add a strong second layer, register backup codes, and a secondary phone if possible. If sign-in or verification fails, try basic troubleshooting. Clear your browser cache, test in an incognito window, or use a different phone or recovery email for the SMS. If you still can't verify, wait 15 to 30 minutes and retry. Rate limits sometimes temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.